Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to make sponge cake and you can see how soft and tasty it looks. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken some salt and I'm going to spread it all over in a pan. With that, I am going to spread it evenly with the help of a spoon, and I'm going to place a stand onto it and preheat for 10 minutes. Let's make the cake better. I've taken some oil. With that, I'm going to add powdered sugar. We're taking powdered sugar because it's easier to blend it this way. So we're going to beat it for like 10 minutes. With that, I'm going to add egg. I'm going to add egg one by one and then I'm going to beat it for 30 seconds. This is going to make it more fluffier. Adding egg one by one is going to make it more fluffier and more soft. So the last one, I've added 3 eggs. I am going to beat it and then we will move towards the next part. So while I'm beating it, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Hit it and you will be updated about my latest videos on the first go. I've added vanilla essence as well to give it better aroma and flavor. Let's move towards the next part. I've taken some plain flour. I've taken 2 cups of plain flour. I'm going to stain it so there are no chunks or no dirt in this flour. Now we're going to add baking powder 1 teaspoon and I'm going to mix it quite well. And with the passage of time, we are going to add it in the mixture we have beaten before of eggs, sugar and oil. And then we're going to add flour and beat it one by one. We're going to add a little bit of flour and beat it. And this is going to make it more fluffier as well. We are not going to add the flour at once because that's going to destroy the fluffiness and the softness of this batter. Well, moving towards the next part, you can see it's completely done. We are going to take a pan and we're going to add all this batter into a pan. I'm going to grease the pan and I've placed butter paper on the underneath of the pan, and with that I am placing butter paper on the sides as well by applying some oil, and I've applied the oil onto the pan and onto the butter paper as well. Now I'm going to add the batter of cake into this pan and we're going to spread it evenly with the help of a spatula. Now it's ready to be baked. I've taken the pan which I have set for preheat before and I'm going to place this pan onto the stand and we're going to wait for 1 hour on low flame. And after 1 hour, we'll see the cake is baked well or not with the help of a toothpick. I have placed a toothpick inside, and if there is no cake stick to the toothpick, then it's completely baked. Now we're going to take off the cake out of the pan into a representable plate, and it's ready to be served. It's ready to be eaten with some tea, or you can eat it at tea time or whenever you want to eat it, or you can also eat it with coffee. So do try this recipe at home. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and your family. And do subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video and thanks for watching.